Some bingo apps let you play without making an initial deposit, but no deposit can mean different things. So check whether the offer gives free games, bonus funds, or cash prizes before assuming you can withdraw money immediately. For 2026, the best no-deposit bingo options are the ones that let you start without adding your own money and clearly explain what is required before any winnings can be withdrawn. Number 5 is eBingo Tour Data. It offers free gameplay alongside cash prize competitions in eligible locations. Start with the free games to learn the controls and progression system before considering a paid tournament. Number 4 is Ang Blackout Bingoy. The app provides free gameplay and also offers cash competitions where available. The free mode lets you learn the basic bingo mechanics without immediately paying an entry fee. Number 3 is GBingo Cash Door. It provides bingo gameplay with cash competitions in eligible locations and has a documented withdrawal process. Before playing for prizes, check whether the current promotion requires a deposit, a specific entry condition, or account verification. Number 2 is a bingo app offering a genuine no-deposit promotion through its official platform. Read the promotion terms carefully because some offers provide bonus credits for gameplay, but do not make those credits directly withdrawable as cash. Number 1 is the option that lets you start playing for free, while clearly explaining how real money prizes become eligible for withdrawal. That distinction matters because free credits, bonus balances, and withdrawable cash are not necessarily the same thing. Before choosing any no-deposit bingo offer, check 4 things. First, find out exactly what you receive. It could be free games, bonus credits, tickets, or cash prize eligibility. Second, check the withdrawal conditions. A promotion may require you to complete a particular gameplay requirement before winnings can be withdrawn. Third, check whether a deposit is eventually required. Some promotions advertise no deposit to start, but require a deposit before certain cash tournaments or withdrawals become available. Fourth, check geographic restrictions. Real money bingo promotions may only be available in specific locations. Also check the promotion's expiration date and current terms before registering. Offers can change, and an old promotional page may no longer apply. Never pay someone through a private payment account to activate a supposed no-deposit prize. Use the official app and its own withdrawal system. The main points are simple. No deposit does not always mean immediately withdrawable cash. Free credits can have separate rules, and the withdrawal terms matter more than the headline promotion. Your next step is to open the official promotion and withdrawal pages, confirm the current requirements, and only then create an account. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 bingo app guides.